Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we're doing brows. That's right girl, I'm teaching you how to do your brows so that you can look nice and fierce. I'll be showing you today my technique and the products that I use to achieve this look. So if you want to learn how to get this look, go ahead and keep on watching. So getting straight into the video, we are using the e.l.f. Lock-On Liner and Brow Cream from e.l.f. in the color Espresso. I'll be using this product on one brow, and on the other brow, I'll be using the NYX Micro Pencil to fill in my brows so that you can see how different each product makes your brows look. Now before we continue the video, I did want to stop real quick to give you guys a good product recommendation that I think will be a game changer for all of you guys. If you haven't gotten the Inglot Duraline Mixing Medium, I highly suggest for you guys to get that. What this does is it revives any of your cream products. Not only can you use it for cream products, but you can actually use it for pigment to create awesome eyeliners. This baby has lasted me so long and has saved me so much money because I stopped throwing away my dried out pomade. So if you haven't gotten this product, please go and get it. I'll have it down in the description box so that you know where you can order this product from. So I already mixed some of the Duraline into my pomade and I already mixed it up and I'm ready to use it and go ahead and outline my brows. So let's go ahead and just get straight into the video. Sorry if I'm on up in your face, girl, but this is how we're gonna do it, okay? So what I like to do is I like to grab my pomade and outline the bottom of my brows. Doing this is going to give me a nice shape, but what I don't like to do is start it all the way at the beginning. I kind of like to use it halfway, so let's start here. So just follow the natural shape of your brows, you guys, and bring that baby down. So you see how I did that? We're gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the top. Follow the natural shape of your brows and just go ahead and give yourself that shape. So now just taking any remainder product that's on the brush, go ahead and just fill in the tail of your brows so that it could be really defined. So just grabbing a little bit more of that product, I'm gonna go ahead and fill in the middle part of my brow just to make it darker and more opaque. And like I said, I don't like to use this all the way in the front. As the product is still wet, get you a spoolie on the side and go ahead and move that product from here to the front. And this is gonna give you that fade. And I love the fade effect in the brows. I just think it looks really, really pretty. And I live for the fade, you guys. I live for the fade. So just use that product that's already on the brow and then just move it forward a little bit. You see how that? Look at that. Bam, we're looking good. So just continue to blend it out as much as you want. Now, my rule of thumb is I don't like to go anywhere past this. I like to keep this empty and then just keep the rest of the color here in the back. So as you see, this is the overall look of the brow. It's very dark at the end, but it's slightly faded in the front. You could definitely leave your brow looking like this if you want to, but if you want a more cut and clean look, definitely get you a brush and concealer and clean it up. So that's what we're about to do right now. I start at the very bottom, okay? And I work my way up. Now I like to go up because I like to give the effect of a high arch. I just love a high arch. And then just keep going and follow and just slide that baby down. And with a finger or not a concealer brush, with your finger or with a beauty blender, you could definitely blend that out. See that? So with that same brush, if there's enough product on there, go ahead and go on the top of the brow and then just follow the natural shape of your brow and clean it up on top as well. This is going to give you that really clean cut look. And I live for that look, you guys. And that's the look, you guys. This is the cleaned up brow. So now that we did one brow with the pomade, we're going to go ahead and do the other brow with the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the color Espresso. And so I'm going to go ahead and get straight into the camera. We on a personal level now, girl. But now we're going to go ahead and outline the natural shape of our brows. So same thing, I like to start not all the way to the front, but just somewhere in the middle. And just follow that brow shape. So now what I did on the bottom, we're going to go ahead and do to the top. Go ahead and follow the natural shape of your brows and then just give yourself that nice brow shape. Now the key to this is if you don't want that dark effect, do small strokes, okay? Do small strokes on the brow. And check your brows too, girls, because sometimes I be looking at some brows and I'm like, you could have colored that in a little bit better, sis. You could have colored that in a little better. So what I like to do is kind of look back, tilt my head back like that a little bit and see if that color is actually everywhere and is shaped correctly. Because sometimes you don't be doing your brows right, girl, and I be seeing. I don't say nothing, but I be seeing it. Alright, so now that we shaped the top, go ahead and fill in that tail. Like I said, light strokes is fine. And we're doing this to the middle of the brow as well. We just want to fill in those sparse places where there is no hair to make it seem like we do have some hair there. So now that we filled it in, we're going to go ahead and use the spoolie on the back and move that product to the front. Same thing, I like to give that fade effect. I don't take the product all the way to the front. I just leave like a little space empty so that it could give me that gradual fade effect. So now that we filled in our brow, I'm going to go ahead and use the concealer again with our brush, and I'm going to clean up the brow to give it a nice shape. And like I said, I'm starting from the beginning and I'm working my way up. I'm angling this to go up because I like a high arch. Look at that. Look how clean it's already starting to look. It's giving my brow a really nice shape. And it's cleaning it up really nice. Taking your finger or a beauty sponge, just blend out that concealer, girl, so that you're not looking all crazy. Now I'm going to clean the top of the brow by following the natural shape of my brow to just clean up all that pomade that we don't want. And boom, bring that baby down. So I could already tell just by looking at my brow that this one's a little bit more rounded. I got like a little peak right here that I need to go and fix, and I could see that this one is a little bit thinner at the tail, and my arch is right here. So I need to go ahead and just go back and clean that up so that I could get both brows looking the same. But I highly suggest to always do this because you don't want to be looking out there crazy, girl. You don't want to look like you don't know what you're doing, like you ain't got no makeup skills. You got makeup skills because you be watching the baddest YouTube beauty guru on the planet, okay? I be telling you how to do your brows so you can look bomb, girl, okay? So take them skills and go back, look at yourself. Look at yourself. And clean them brows. So let me just go back in and just bring that a little bit higher. And blend it up. So this is the overall look, you guys. Don't forget that I used the pomade on this brow and I used my pencil on this one. And this is the look that we got. So a quick recap on how we did this look. You will need a pomade, a brow pencil, or a powder. You will need concealer and a concealer brush to clean the brows once you fill them in. But the most important thing that you need to get out of this video, you guys, is how to fill in the brows. Remember that the product needs to be the darkest at the end of the brow, and you only put product towards the middle, and that's it. Do not put any more product past that middle because we still need that empty space to blend and fade in the color to the front. Remember to leave the front of the brows empty because we want to have that ombre effect from nothing to something, right? That's what we're going for. So remember, do not put any more product halfway through the brow because if you do, you're gonna have these ugly looking brows right here. Insert the clip.
Oh!
and we are not going for that look 2020. So ladies, if you've implemented this new brow technique that I showed you on this video, please comment down below with a picture of your new brows using my technique to show me how they look. I would love to see how it looks on you. I want to know if it made it easier for you and what products you actually use to achieve the look. Comment down below, show me a picture, and let me see what you've done. And that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel today. I hope you learned something from this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Most importantly, hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. And if we're not friends on social media, right now is the best time to go follow me. Pause the video real quick and go follow me on Instagram and on Facebook. Go leave a comment down below on my social media pages, #GorgeousGang, and let me know that you're coming from my YouTube channel and showing me some love. So make sure that you follow me because I'll definitely follow back. I love all my supporters. I love all my followers. So if that's you, girl, go follow me now. Pause the video and let's be friends. There goes my dog again. I'm about to lose my shit, you guys. Te voy a averiar. Es lo que voy a hacer. Te voy a averiar. Come here. Why you gotta bark so much?